Hey there, Leos. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is your last week of July reading from 22 to 28, and it will be general reading. Please take those messages, what resonates to you, and leave the rest. And if you think my reading resonates you, please share my videos on your social media account. It will be help from you toward me. So let's start your reading, Leos. Let's see what is your main theme in this week, in this last week. What will be your main theme? What will be the main theme for Leos? Page of Swords. Page of Swords is your main theme, and let's see what other messages are for you. Wheel of Fortune, the Hermit, Nine of Pentacles, Chariot, and Seven of Pentacles. Underneath the deck you are having Seven of Pentacles. So let's start your reading, Leos. You are looking for something. Here you are spying over something. You are waiting over something. You have your eye on someone or something. It's like that. Page of Swords is a you are spying over something, someone, or looking for something. Like, or maybe someone is spying over you. You are waiting for something. Maybe you are waiting for your money come towards you, or it's like that you put your a lot of effort in a connection, and you are waiting to harvest the result of this hard work. You are looking for the result of your hard work. It's like that you did a lot of hard work, and now you are waiting for your money, your rewards to come towards you. So or if it's a man, it's a person. Maybe you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or it can be you did a lot of things. Maybe your work is related to communication, or it's a law kind of thing, related to pupil interaction with pupils, and now you are waiting for your finances. You took some kind of decision about your finances. It's like that. Or maybe someone, you are getting very much cold. Your person is getting very much cold. If it is not the air sign person, your person is getting very much cold, or they talk harshly, bluntly, and they tell you truth. Or maybe you are just cutting everyone out of your life, and you just want, and you just waiting for your abundance, your financial abundance. So you have your eye over someone, like your partner is getting very much cold. If it's not your energy, it can be your partner's energy, that your partner is getting very much cold, not showing their emotions, not talking to you. So you are waiting for their talking, their messages. They are looking for them. They are spying, you are spying over them, or they are spying over you. So you are waiting, you put a lot of effort in this connection, and now you are waiting for the result, good result from this person. You put your efforts, your responsibilities. um, you put your effort, your responsibility, and now you are waiting for your turn, when your effort give you result in a good way. So it's a time to change. Time is in a change, and your situation is about to change, and it will change totally, completely. uh, what will happen, or maybe you are waiting for a change, you are looking for a change in your life. You are getting aloof, detached from everyone, or maybe you are taking you are meditating something, or you are taking right decision. You want to take a wise decision about your relationship. If you are waiting, and this person is not coming towards you, so this is time to change. and take a right decision for yourself, to be a single and move on with your life successfully, or take control of your life. This is time you are getting self-sufficient and independent, in terms of finances and in terms of relationships, or and you are taking charge of your life and control of your life in your hand. So it's a time to change. You are getting some difficult decision in this week, or someone is spying over you, and this person is coming toward you to make your life change and make you independent or give you a control of your life. So maybe you are dealing with a Virgo here. It's a pentacle card, so maybe it's a Virgo card. It's like it's a Virgo card. They are very much single person, um, or they are coming towards you. They are spying over you, and they are coming towards you to change your life. Whatever you were waiting for, they are coming towards you. Or if you were waiting for your finances, and these finances are coming towards you, and you are enjoying your luxury life. You will enjoy your luxury life in this week time. Or if you are spying over someone, this person is coming towards you. Let's see what the romance angel oracle cards are saying, or what message they will give for you. Okay, one card is deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. Someone, maybe you think this person is getting cold, like this person is not showing their emotion, true emotion towards you. They are wearing a mask, and maybe it's a deception. They are giving you some kind of they are cheating on you. It can be for few of you, not for all of you, but it's there is a deception maybe. Let's see one more card for you, Leos. It can be any kind of deception, like this person is not giving you the result whatever you are waiting for. So they just spy over you. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So you have to be open your mind. If this person is not coming towards you with a commitment, you are waiting over them, and they are just getting cold. Maybe they are wearing this mask to become a cold, and inside they are thinking something else. So you have to be open your mind. Your soulmate can be different from you, so they are dealing in this situation differently, and they are not dealing as you do. So they are doing this by their way, in their own way. So it will be a right decision for you. If you think positively, you have to think deeply and wisely. You have to be your mind open. If it's the situation where you have to leave this person and be a single, so it can be the situation. Or if you keep your mind open, so you will come out from this deception things, and things will change with this person, and you will able to enjoy your life luxuriously with this person, and take a control of your life. So Leos, that was your reading for the last week of July. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like or subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.